It's common for people to ask God for a sign. It's common in even my own life, and you see it all throughout Scripture, that people ask God for a sign. Some people even demand God for a sign. It's very common, especially at times of crisis, times when we doubt. We ask God for a sign. Do you even exist? Are you listening? Do you love me? Those are very common things. And this weekend in the gospel, we see that the Jews, they don't just ask Christ for a sign. They demand a sign, right? Jesus cleanses the temple. He throws out all the moneylenders and all the businessmen of the temple. He's so upset that they've turned the house of God into a place of business. And the Jews, rightly so, are upset by this. They say, give us a sign for what you have done. And Jesus answers so boldly and so beautifully, I will tear down this temple and in 3 days build it up again. And they're confused, rightly so. We would be confused. Oftentimes we're confused by the signs God gives us, that we don't think that they actually answer the questions we have. But God always answers ultimately with the ultimate sign, the sign of Jonah, that he will die for us to prove his love for us, and he will rise again in 3 days to enter into eternal relationship with us. This Lent, I dare you to ask God for a sign. But remember this, that whatever you're asking for, Christ may answer in the way you're looking for it, but it's always the ultimate answer is that sign of God's love. And he continually sends us back to the cross, the true sign.